Citibank pays a simple interest (3% per year), meaning that each year the balance increases by 3% of the initial deposit. Write an expression in this scenario where the function c of x equals 1000 plus 300x. The ordered pair A, C of A, and the primary list A equals 1 through 15 as the annual inputs to the graph and the sequence of the bank balances by the versus time in years for 15 years. So here's my expression. I added this floor function for x because this is normally what it would look like, but that doesn't model accurately what's going on. So let's undo that. You'll see that by adding the floor, it actually jumps up. So let's pause that. That's that. And what I'm doing here is I'm doing it a monthly comparison. It starts at 9.5 each time in the middle of the ninth year right here. It's checking the deposit. So at 9.5, what it is. Also, I could round this down. I could do that. Would that play the same? Nope. Undo that. Leave that alone. And what you want to do, you want to affect it at the function level, which is what it's doing here. Play that. Between 9.5 years to 11.5 years. So 9, 10, 11. On the other hand, National Bank pays a compound interest of 2.6 per year, compounded monthly, meaning the balance increases by 1/12 or 2.6 of the previous year, 1/12 of the rate. Or 2.6% of the previous month's balance. Write an exponential function and an ordered pair. And a parameter list of m1 through 15 times 12, 112 times 1/12 for the 50 times 12, 180 months. Input as a fraction of a year to the graph balance versus time. So again, here is that floor function without the floor. So you could get rid of that. I was expecting most of you to do this. Find this point of intersection. But you see that that point actually never happens because of the floor. See, this is a better model. There's the modified function. There's the percentage you can adjust. The ordered pair. And here is the year of 15 tables. Here's the difference of the two polynomials. Or not actually two functions. They're not polynomials. Correction. As one's an exponential function. And here is exactly what's going on at this point here. Pause that at 122 plus 2/12. That is a difference there. B 121 and 212, 112 and excuse me. 121 and then 122. That's where it jumps the line. So I would say That's when the balance became here. And why is that so much faster? I don't know. Slow down. I see. Oh, forgot to multiply that by 12. Times 12. Okay, anyway. How to do those in sync, I don't know. All right. So Citibank pays more until National Bank pays more in about 10 years and 2 months. Citibank pays more than National Bank until there it is. Oh, please recreate this.